Hi, I'm Shannon with Windblown Ideas. Today I'm making a Hellebore paper flower. I'll add some color to the center with green pan pastel. I'll also add color to a few inches of the center strip. I'll add a light coat of raw umber tint to one side of the petals. To shape the petals, ribbon curl each petal with a shaping stick. Then with the point of the stick, gently roll back the outer third of each petal toward the backside. Next, I'll assemble the flower on a DIY paper flower tool. Add a small amount of glue between layers. Applying pressure with a metal ball tool on a shaping mat quickly curves the center. Slightly bend over the tops of the center strip. These will curve inward when I roll it up, and I will start rolling up on the uncolored end. Insert the end of the strip into the slot of the quilling tool. Roll it once and add a tiny dot of glue. Continue rolling until you reach the end and then add another dot of glue. Once the glue is set, pop off the center, set it on your table, and press firmly to level out the bottom. Glue the two center pieces together. I'm adding bind wire to the flower. If the hole isn't big enough for the wire, use a mini awl to enlarge the hole. Glue the wire in place. Then glue the center on top. To shape the leaf, fold up on the center score line. And gently roll down the edges. I'm gluing bind wire to the back of 3 leaves. I want to blend the 2 center pieces. Gently pull up on the shorter pieces around the outer circle. Then pull out some of the outer pieces of the rolled up center. I'll attach the 3 leaves with floral tape. This makes it easy to arrange them. I'm going to attach the flower to a stiff wire, so I'll use floral tape to combine them all. You have to stretch the tape to activate it, and the heat and pressure from your fingers helps it stick. Some are better than others. If I question how well it's working, I add a little glue at each end.